Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking, and today we are focusing on cleaning our bins. So join me today. You can clean along with me or just watch to get motivated. So there's always one bin that I always forget to do. It's either the bathroom or like the bedroom bins. So the kitchen one is always done, like, because I see it all the time. I don't have any issues with that. But then sometimes when you go upstairs and there's this lingering smell, but you don't know where it comes from. It's normally coming from the bins. So even in the bathroom. So I thought I could just clean these because I had not done them in a long time. And I thought I'll just quickly do a deep clean for it. Because the last thing you want is for your guests to come in and use your bathroom, or like walk into any of the bedrooms and there's this funky smell somewhere and you don't know where it is. It could literally be from your bin. So check out your bins and give them a good clean, especially if you have children. That's somewhere we always forget to do because everything else tends to come first, and the bin is something that you don't probably just think of doing. So after that's done, I'm going to quickly grab some Zaflora and a cotton pad or cotton ball, whatever you've got, and then you just pour a little bit, and then you just open up your bin and put it in there. That you put your bin liner back in there, and it's going to smell very lovely. So, speaking of bins upstairs, so this is like a teenage boy's room. Let's not even start thinking about what else is going on in that room. But the bin on its own was just overflowing, and I wasn't even going to get rid of it. I was just going to leave it there for him to come and clean it himself. But I just looked into it and I thought, oh, you know what, let me just give it a deep clean. He can throw it outside, but I'm going to give the bin itself. Look at that. It just needs a thorough deep clean. I'm literally going to bleach it because it's too much. Looking much better than it did when I first started. I'm just going to spray some disinfectant around it and just clean it, wipe it away, and it's ready for a bin liner. So the next bin I thought I should do is just the bathroom one, sorry, the kitchen one. This also just because I had just changed the bin liner, but I realized that the lid needed to clean, like that is quite filthy. So I thought, let me just give it a quick clean and just took it to the bathroom. And I hope you guys are finding these videos to be helpful. I know Christmas time can get quite stressful, especially if you're hosting. That's why I thought this would be very helpful to do a task every single day that would like break it down and ensure that you are on top of all your tasks, so you're not feeling overwhelmed. And because it is very easy to be overwhelmed during this time of the year. We've not even started cooking yet, so I hope this is very helpful and motivating. Whatever task that you feel needs to get done, you can go ahead and do it. I still had more time, so I thought, let me just declutter the cupboard. This is not on the list to do today, but I thought, I've got the time and energy, I might as well do it. Mentioned this was not part of today's task, but I had energy to do it, and I just thought, let me just tackle it. If you also have got the energy to do extra tasks, you may go ahead and do it. And the more you do, the better, to get you ahead of your cleaning to-do list. Like I mentioned, it is quite an overwhelming time of the year, and if you can ask for help from your children, from your spouse, partner, whatever, just get some help so that you don't feel overwhelmed. Or do the simple jobs first, the easier jobs. I am literally leaving the oven till the last minute because I'm proper dreading it. I literally can't stand doing the oven. But I'm doing all the other small jobs first and then the hard ones towards the end. But we'll see how the weekend is. If I've got more energy, I can tackle that. So like I mentioned, this is just a guide to help you guys. You pick a task which is going to match your energy. So if you've got energy to do the oven today, you go ahead and do that oven. But if not, do something that's more, matching your energy. So don't forget to set a timer and give yourself a treat. That is that cupboard organized, and the sink cupboard organized. Everything is easy for me to reach. I know where everything is, and which is going to be perfect because I'm going to be deep cleaning the oven soon. So I just needed to make sure I've got everything I might need there, and everything is in its place. All done. So that's it for me today. We have officially completed day 6. So I hope you guys enjoying this. You have a lovely day. Bye.